Okay, you can see it's 5:35 in the morning, and here's what the thermostat is set to: 67. The heat's running at 79. So again, it's set to 67. It's locked, and I know it says 11:59, but it's not. Because I turned it off last night. Okay, let's go downstairs. All right. So the first is running. Don't see any place here for error messages. Here, this thing. I don't know what. Now it's turned off. So now it turned off. Now I don't think taking this off is supposed to turn it off. Is it? Taking this cover off shouldn't turn it off. Okay, so took that cover off. So this is episode 3 now. So you can see there's no light on. Thermostat is locked. It was heating to 79. This is like a yellowish color. I don't know what they're talking about. An error message. Where am I supposed to see an error message? I'm going to disable it by turning it right off. I don't know what to do. Should I leave it on? Okay, I'll leave it on. I'm not going to take this cover off. But this is now episode number 3, where this thing is running wild. And all I did was take the cover off the top. I didn't take it off the bottom. See, there's supposed to be an error message. I don't know where I'm supposed to see an error message. Alright, I'm turning it off my camera right now. Hopefully it can tell me where I'm supposed to see an error message. All I see is this one little light. That's it.